you'd want to be able to take out the 1-1. Pero conceptually nga, pwedeng yung Yuzong, pwedeng yung Lilia kasi it provides a lot of teamfight problems for Echo. Pero dahil sobrang selfless maglaro ni Irad, nandun siya lagi sa harap ng Kaja and in turn, hindi nakikita ng Echo yung target sila which gives RSG a lot of playing room during these clashes. Kitang-kita natin yan dito sa teamfight na to.
Yeah, especially during this part. Alam na nilang may eyesight sila para kay Benny Cutie. Binigyan na nila kay RC, kay Echo yung Lord. Instead, they went straight for the punish para lang mahirapan na yung Echo. Pero sobrang unfortunate lang na hindi nila nakapitalize yung wave na makapasok kasi nasa habulan ng...
Ito yung napakagandang ipet ni Carl TZ.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, even before this, nagkaroon ng napakagandang minion cut management from Echo. Hindi minion wave management, minion cut management, literal. Kasi kinakat nila yung waves ng RSG and after noon, nakita ni Carl TZ. Itong perfect opportunity niya to. Sabi niya, sige ako na, i-heavy spin ko na tong RSG and doon nagsimula yung comeback ng